Hope you've seen the new competition on the Woodworking UK Facebook page. It's to create a video, don't have to be long, 2, 3, 4 minutes, just a quick review of something you've got which you think is a really handy tool, or maybe a project video where you're showing little bits of a project you've done, or even just a tip, little tips, anything. It don't matter. It don't matter how basic you think it is, there'll always be somebody that benefits from it. We've got people on the Facebook group that's pro cabinet makers, but we've also got people that are weekend wood warriors. We've got people that have never picked a bit of wood up in their life because they're interested in it and they're dying to have a go. So however basic your tip is, get it in there. It'll help somebody, I absolutely guarantee you. I've done some really basic tips in the, I don't know if you saw the Skips Tips series with the writing. They're dead basic stuff, but somebody always benefits from them because everybody's at a different skill level. And we've been asked to give you a few tips for the people that haven't done a YouTube video before. Well, my main problem when I did some of my videos last year was this. See, I've rested my camera on the bench that I'm working on. If you can avoid that, stick it on a shelf, put it on a separate bench, get, I don't know, sellotape a selfie stick to something, anything. Just put your camera somewhere else. Don't put it on the... See, I'm showing you what I'm doing, and I'm banging here with my very nice mallet made by Alfro's. Banging here, and it's making the camera wobble, and it just looks crap. To be fair, you're gonna make people feel sick. So stand it on something else. Then whatever you're doing, you're not banging your camera about. And I know the main thing with people is nervous. You know, you hate the sound of your own voice. Everybody hates the sound of their own voice. Just imagine that you're talking to your mate. I'm your mate. Look at my happy smiling face. Pretend you're talking to me. It's fine. Get involved, people.